Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy for nursing. First, focus on understanding the big picture before diving into specifics. Grasping the why behind structures helps immensely. Next, always link anatomy to physiology. Knowing what a part is and what it does makes it stick. Finally, practice active recall by quizzing yourself regularly. This approach builds a strong, lasting knowledge base for your nursing career. To study smarter, try drawing out anatomical diagrams from memory and labeling them. This active process reinforces learning far better than just looking at pictures. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing specific terms, origins, insertions, and functions. Remember to study in focused intervals, perhaps 25 to 30 minutes, followed by a short break. This technique, known as the Pomodoro method, significantly boosts concentration and prevents burnout. For effective learning, a good anatomy textbook is invaluable, especially one with clear, detailed illustrations. Supplement this with interactive online atlases and apps that offer three-dimensional views and quizzes. These digital tools can bring complex structures to life. Additionally, consider joining a study group. Explaining concepts to others and having them explain to you can solidify your understanding and highlight areas needing more attention. Staying motivated throughout your anatomy studies is crucial. Set achievable goals, like mastering one body system per week, and acknowledge your progress. Remember to take regular, short breaks to avoid burnout and keep your mind fresh. Even a 5-minute walk can make a difference. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Prioritize your well-being, and you'll find success in your nursing anatomy journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.